Hey everyone, I'm Paul and I'm a trainee enthusiast. In addition to the different scales we have talked about in my videos, we're now going to be talking about the companies/manufacturers that make the model trains. There are many different companies. There's MTH, Lionel, American Flyer, and after they are formed and the company is made, then they start designing and building the trains. MTH and Lionel have trains that make sound, chuffing, whistles, horns, and conversations with the crew. They also make accessories that you can put on your layout. That some have buildings that have with lights in them, or like crossings or stations, and you can add that to your layout if you want to have your layout based on a city or landscape or something. American Flyer is also another company that makes trains, but they do S gauge, and that's not going to be the topic of the video. But there's also other trains like Markland that's another company that's in Europe at the moment, but they were the first company that kind of made trains in the beginning. So in order to make the models, they had to look at the real ones the real ones that were near them or close by them. Like for example, CXS. There's also Western Maryland, Amtrak, and New York Central and stuff. So now that we know about these companies and how they make it, now let's see some of the trains they got inspired in action. So hopefully you now understand how trains are made, and how the real life trains that we have today inspired the manufacturers to create new ones. So I hope you learned something in this video. So in the next one we'll talk about the different types of rolling stock and see other interesting train locations that are not just within one part of the country, but it could be out like some other place. So until next time, see you in the next video.